I'm Jeff Bickford. I'm a firearms instructor with the Armed Defense Training Association, a nonprofit gun club located near Seattle, Washington. We started working on our beginner's training curriculum in 2015. There are two parts to this curriculum. One, training the beginners, which you'll see here. Two, is training the trainers. We have a program called the Mentor Academy, where our trainers practice following lesson plans and presenting in front of students. What you're going to see in this video is how we train the beginners. This provides an overview on how our beginners workshops are organized. The idea is to show how our instructors and mentors interact with the students as they learn the basics of defensive handgun shooting. The beginner workshop is dry fire and does not need access to a shooting range. We've held these workshops in this condo clubhouse, as well as churches, our local senior center, and other meeting halls. The workshop is divided into 6 segments. Each segment follows the EDGE training methodology. That's explain, demonstrate, guide, and enable. So first explain what the objective of the segment is, then demonstrate by watching one of our training videos, and the instructors demonstrate that to the students with Q&A. Then we guide them through the drill, and then enable them to do it on their own. At the start of the event, all guns are cleared by a range safety officer who then ties a ribbon onto the trigger guard. You'll see the ribbons in the guns in the video. No live ammunition is allowed anywhere inside the event. You'll see as I'm instructing that I have a binder open with notes in it. This is a set of lesson plans for the workshop. We've learned the value of lessons plans from one of our board members who is homeschooling her children. Lesson plans helps us maintain a level of professionalism in our training events. In the first 4 segments, we use actual guns for demonstration. In the last 2 segments that involve drawing from the holster, we use SIRT laser training pistols. SIRT pistols eliminate a lot of the complexity from the training. Plus, they let trainees see what they're hitting. In the hands-on segments, we alternate between 2 shooting lines. This allows the students to practice without getting too close to each other. In segment 1, we start by playing a training video, the 4 basic rules of gun safety. Then we have a classroom discussion where we discuss the safety rules and how to stay safe around others who are acting in an unsafe manner. In segment 2, we start by playing the training video, How a Handgun Works. Then we have the classroom discussion where we name the parts of the gun and discuss the trade-offs between semi-auto pistols and double-action revolvers. In segment 3, we also start by playing 2 training videos. The first is how to unload a handgun and make it safe to handle, and then we watch how to load a handgun and make it safe to shoot. Then we follow with a classroom discussion where the instructor demonstrates the steps that were just detailed in the video for unloading and loading the gun using dummy training rounds. On the hands-on instruction, the instructor leads trainees through the steps of unloading and then loading semi-auto handguns. They're assisted by mentors who also help them with the details. Segment 4 starts with playing the training video, How to Hold, Aim, and Dry Fire a Handgun. The classroom discussion has the instructor demonstrating the 12-step basic dry fire exercise that was detailed in the video. The hands-on instruction leads off with the instructor leading trainees through the same dry fire exercise using semi-auto handguns. This segment also includes learning on how to get off the X. Segment 5 starts with playing the training video, How to Live Fire a Handgun at the Range. Then in the classroom discussion, we ask, what's the difference between the 12-step dry fire exercise and 12-step live fire exercise? Well, the answer is using live ammunition. Segment 6 starts with playing the training video, How to Present a Handgun from the Holster. Then we go into the classroom discussion where the instructor demonstrates the 5-step basic holster exercise. This is followed by a hands-on instruction where the instructor leads and guides the trainees to learning how to draw from the holster using the SIRT laser training pistols. Segment includes several exercises, getting off the X, turn and shoot, and assessing for additional threats. So why do we include these exercises? Well, it gives them an idea of what they're going to expect when they someday join one of our live fire events in the tactical base. So why are we so strongly committed to training beginners? Firearm sales are setting records. Responsible gun owners need to be trained. The Second Amendment guarantees us the right to defend ourselves, and our founders anticipated that someday we might need to defend ourselves against tyranny. By training beginners, our gun club is contributing in our own small way. Helping new gun owners learn to shoot is the best way to help them defend themselves, their families, and their loved ones against threats in their neighborhood. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you at the range.